In a small village called Boma in southern province of Zino, there's a young girl named Oma. She loved cooking traditional dishes, especially her grandmother's famous peanut stew. One day, Oma's grandmother gave her a special recipe book, warning her to use it wisely. The recipe book contained a mysterious dish called Mpyompi, which Oma had never heard of before. Curious, she decided to cook it for her family. As she added the final ingredient, a strange powder, the kitchen filled with an eerie smell. When Oma's family ate the Mpyompi, they felt an intense energy. But soon, they began to act strangely. They would stare blankly, repeating ancestral phrases. Oma realized that the dish had awakened the ancestor spirits. As night fell, Oma's family became more aggressive, as if possessed. They chased Oma around the village, demanding she feed them more Mpyompi. Oma fled, terrified. A wise elder intervened, explaining that Mpyompi was a forbidden dish, meant only for ancestral rituals. Oma's family was now cursed, bound to the ancestors' will. To break the curse, Oma had to perform a ritual, offering food and prayers to appease the ancestors. She did so, and slowly, her family returned to normal. From that day on, Oma respected the traditional recipes and the ancestors' power. She learned that some secrets were meant to stay hidden, and some dishes were too powerful for humans to handle. The villagers whispered about the bite of the ancestors, a cautionary tale about respecting tradition and the power of food. Oma's experience served as a reminder to honor the past and beware of the unknown.